Creation. Works of his hands echo his glory. The mountain heights stroke his excellence. Cloudy blue motion his grandeur. Gleam of fire confusing all darkness. Cause of the desert, pitch of dryness. Rising tornado, endless summits. Galaxies in conflict contest his supremacy. Slopey valley, teardrop waterfalls. Contour landscape, spiral beauty. Wave of the seashore, garment flow of splendor. The great Leviathan, the artwork of the renown. The strength of a horse, the well of a camel. The pride of a lion, the influence of an elephant. The heart of man, the center of creation. So stunning is his artwork, depicting his brilliance.